Welcome to Pines Village, an active adult retirement community in Whiting, New Jersey. C&C Construction Management had the privilege of transforming existing living spaces, bringing modern upgrades to independent living apartments while ensuring resident comfort and safety. Because Pines Village is an occupied community, minimizing disruptions was our top priority. Our team carefully planned phased renovations, isolating construction areas with temporary walls and barriers, and utilizing a separate construction entrance to keep daily life as undisturbed as possible. Collaboration was key. Our on-site team worked closely with staff and subcontractors to maintain clean, accessible, and safe environments for residents throughout the process. One unique challenge of this project was working with concrete floors and walls. To accommodate new plumbing and create openings between units, saw cutting was required. To minimize impact, residents were given early notice to prepare for increased noise levels. Additionally, structural lintels were installed to reinforce new openings, ensuring long-term durability and stability. At C&C Construction Management, we take pride in delivering high-quality renovations with thoughtful planning and precision. Pines Village now offers modern living spaces while preserving the comfort and community its residents cherish.